What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy Ape Crypto. Today I'll be giving you two projects that I believe have good potential to give a good return on investment and that I'm personally interested in as a part of my 100x minting series. If you're into CNFTs and you want to take this space seriously, I'd recommend that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell because this channel will really be for you. And also hit that like button because it helps the CNFT space grow and it also helps my video get out to more people like you. Also, make sure you follow me at @ApeCryptoYT on Twitter, as I post CNFT news and giveaways every single day. So if you want to win some cool NFTs and you want to win some ADA, and you also want to keep up to date with CNFT news a bit quicker than my channel gives you, and if something happens to my channel, you could find me on here. So if you saw in one of my last videos, I had a disclaimer about Avocado Breakfast Club, and I said a couple things that I didn't like about it, openly on Twitter. So before we jump into these projects, I got a couple things I'd like to say. I've got some news on a project, I've got channel news, and I also have news of my own NFT collection. So we'll dive into that before we dive into the project. So the first announcement is that I'll be having timestamps. So if you don't want any of this shit, go to the description and use the timestamps to go past this. I know how annoying it is to watch YouTube videos without timestamps, so that's the channel announcement for you guys. Hopefully that helps, because as a watcher of YouTube channel, I know how much that pisses me off, so I thought I'd do that for you guys. So the other day I spoke about Avocado Breakfast Club, and then a couple things came out and I voiced my opinions on it on Twitter, as you've probably read on this thread if you followed me. And since then, Avocado Breakfast Club contacted me and they also commented on that post, displaying a lot of things. They've updated their website, their roadmap, and since then they've been very active within the community. And they've also lowered their mint price from 49 to 37. And that was one of the things that I kind of took a jab at them for. So fair play on their end, and I really hope these guys do well. I think me coming out with this, people just straight away called these guys scammers and all that. I never insinuated that at all. And if I did, I didn't mean to. I just said I wasn't going to mint this project. And that's nothing against them. That's a personal decision. It shouldn't affect you. I do think that art is cool. The community is great and it's building. And I do think it has potential. So good luck to the team at Avocado Breakfast Club. Another channel update as well is I won't personally be telling you guys what I'm actually minting. For now, all I'm just telling you is what I'll be interested in. And just to more inform you of drops, to put you in a position to do your own research and to make your own decision. So if I'm not saying I'm minting a project now, that doesn't mean I'm not interested in it, and it doesn't mean I won't be minting it. I'm just doing this now for the benefit of the projects and for the benefit of the people that will just follow me like sheep. So yeah, I'm a big advocate of doing your own research, and I highly recommend that for all of you. So from now on, this series will just be covering projects that I'm interested in. So it'll be pretty much the same thing, just without me disclosing I'm minting it or not, for the benefit of everyone. And the final announcement is the announcement of my own project. It's called Nerds and Virgins, which I'll be covering in detail in one of my next videos. So here's just a quick sneak peek of the art, and this is just a base character, so this has no attributes or any of that cool stuff added onto it yet. This is literally the first preview, and the response has been amazing, and I'm very happy with how it looks and how everything's going. I'll cover this in more detail in another video, but yeah, I'm very happy about this. So the first project that I'll be talking about today that's minting on October 4th is Stone Age Hooligans. So I've covered these on my channel before, and since then they have blown up, and rightfully so, with a huge almost 5,000 followers and almost 7,000 Discord members, which is something I really like about this project. The community is key, and they've got a big community, but not only that, they have a passionate community that are very vocal on Twitter, which is really awesome. They also got a team that's so open, who actively engage their community over and over, and as a result of this, you've seen the explosion in the following. And as a result of this, you've seen an explosion in the following. Another thing I like is simply the art. I really dig it. Everything looks cool. It's super clean. So from the moment I saw this, I was interested in it a couple weeks back. And of course, I still am today. In regards to their mint price, it's 40 ADA per hooligan, which I think is quite fair. And considering the floor right now is just about 200 ADA, that 40 will be peanuts pretty soon after the launch. So I think personally, it could give investors a good return on investment, as this is a good indication of where the floor price is heading. So if you're wondering about these were in the pre-sale for their first couple hundred members, called the OG Hooligans, so that's why they're listed on CNFT. So that's why they're listed on CNFT.io. The remaining Hooligans will be launching on October 4th at 7 PM UTC. So if you didn't get your hands on a pre-sale and you'd like to get in on this project, October 4th at 7 PM UTC will be the right time to do so. So if you want to do that, I'll leave all the valid links in the description, from the website to the Discord and to their Twitter, so you can make an informed decision whether you're going to mint these or not. For me personally, everything's looking good. Their following is huge, along with an awesome community. I really like the art, and they're proven to sustain and have value already. So all these things I really like. So I personally think this project will do well. The second project I'll be talking about today is Underwater Club. So as some of you may know, Underwater Club is a project that I'm actually a part of the team of. So I am getting paid a percentage of their total revenue. So I thought I'd quickly disclose that before you keep listening to this, because it may be biased. But then again, in saying that, even without the money, I would like this project. And that's me being 100% honest with you. Being Underwater Club, they're obviously ocean themed, and they have several types of ocean species which you can get your hands on. From clownfish, coralfish, fairyfish, anglerfish, and sharks, all having rare traits. So what originally drew me into this project, and the reason why I agreed to doing this, because, I have to agree to be sponsored by something and to be on their team, the art. It caught my eye straight away. It's very polished, it's very clean, and it's just very good looking. It looks like it's made by professionals. And let me tell you, it is. I've been very impressed with how this team operates, and I'm confident in the success of this project as well. So since getting drawn into the awesome art, they've continued to grow, and I can see this continuing to happen. With 1,500 followers as of now, being 4 or 5 days away from launch at the time of recording this video. So that number is expected to grow. And I can see this happening, as people will be attracted to the awesome art, drawn into the very professional branding, and they'll also be drawn into the openly transparent team and the good community that I've got. So in my mind, this project will be a success. But just remember, I may be a little biased. I may be biased, but you won't be. So I'll leave all the valid links in the description so you can check it out for yourself and see if it's a project that you want to be a part of. And if you do want to be a part of this, they'll be launching on the 8th of October at 9 PM UTC. And they'll be launching 3,333 high quality NFTs, which I'm very excited for. I'm happy to be on this team, and I'll be even happier when it succeeds. The team are great, and the project is too. And regardless of my affiliation with this project, I'd always be interested in this. But of course, do your own research and form your own opinion on this project. So that's it for today's episode, Nerds and Virgins. What do you think of these projects? Will you personally be minting them? Let me know in the comment section below. And while you're at it, also smash that like button because it helps my channel grow. And also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to take the CNFT space seriously, and so you can learn everything about the CNFT space. I'm Abe Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.